we've dealt with summing of adding up so far. We've dealt with some multiplying, but there are a whole lot of other formulas that we could use. So in this case, we're looking at different Frontier Kid troops and their cookie sales amounts. So we see the units sold, and so we have some different calculations we'd like to do. To find the average number of units sold by these groups, we can hit equal sign, and average is the recommended formula, which is what we are going to do. If we type out average, we see that it's going to take the numerical average value in a data set and ignore text. That is what we're looking for, so we're going to actually go ahead and select yes, we're going from C3 to C9. And so we find that the average number of units sold by our troops is 849. If we wanted to find the total, that would be a sum, which is to add up all of the values in our selected range. And so we see that in total, these troops sold 5,943 boxes of cookies. We could also look to see what's the greatest number sold. And so in that case, we're going to say the max, short for maximum, and that's going to find the maximum value, which we are interested in here. And so of them, we find that 1,004 is the most. So we could see that the North Bend Frontier Kids group sold the most number of units.